Hi everyone, this is Vincent, and this week I'm going to explain stimulus control, a concept that is absolutely fundamental to understanding why behaviors happen when and where they do. According to Heron, and Heward, stimulus control refers to a situation in which the frequency, latency, or duration of a behavior is influenced by the presence or absence of an antecedent stimulus. Let's break it down. Stimulus control means that environmental cues signal when certain behaviors are likely to be reinforced and when they are not. Think about driving as an example. When you approach an intersection and see a red light, you stop. When it turns green, you go. The color of the traffic light exerts stimulus control over your driving behavior. Through experience, you have learned that stopping at red light prevents accidents and tickets, while proceeding on green gets you safely to your destination. That's perfect stimulus control. The right behavior at the right time based on the right signal. Here is another example from educational background. Imagine a student in a classroom when the teacher is present and instruction is underway. The student raises their hand before speaking. But during recess on the playground, that same student talks freely with friends without raising their hand. In this case, the teacher's presence and the classroom settings have stimulus control over the hand raising behavior. The student has learned through differential reinforcement that hand raising is expected and reinforced in a class but not required during free play. So, how is stimulus control developed and used in practice by behavior analysts? This is where it becomes especially meaningful. Through a process called discrimination training, behaviors are systematically reinforced in the presence of a specific stimulus and not reinforced or placed on extinction in the presence of others. Over time, the individual learns to discriminate between these conditions and adjust behaviors accordingly. Stimulus control is essential in teaching important skills. For example, in social skills training, appropriate greetings come under the stimulus control of seeing another person. In safety training, stop behaviors come under the control of seeing a busy street. In academic instructions, correct letters, sounds comes under the control of seeing specific letters. A key technique used to strengthen this process is called prompt fading. Initially, prompts such as powerful cues, physical guidance, or visual support may be used to help an individual respond correctly. Over time, these prompts are gradually faded so that control transfer from artificial prompts to the natural environment goes that should maintain the behavior long term. Effective stimulus control makes behavior functional, adaptive, and socially appropriate. It ensures that individuals respond correctly to the correct signals at the right time in the right place. Without it, behaviors may occur randomly or fail to occur when they should. That's why establishing strong stimulus control is one of the primary goals of most APA intervention. Ultimately, understanding and applying the concept of stimulus control helps promote meaningful, generalized behavior change that enhances independence and improve the quality of life. Thank you, everyone. My name is Kenny Spencer.